Hello again everyone. Another job order, and this is for a stainless steel factory. So this is more on operating the machine for the stainless. The job area for this is in Saitama Prefecture, and the working hours is from 8 o'clock to 17:30, and the salary will be from 180,000 to 220,000. There will be bonus for this job also. So again, this is a stainless steel factory that shearing the stainless. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you can comment down below, or you can also come to our main office in Tokyo. It's in Kanda Station. We also have office in Nagoya and in Osaka. So if you are willing to come, just let us know, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. Again, it's 0362068058. You can call our office and just look for my name, Bing. So we also offer, if you are far from one of our offices, you can also request for online interview. So just comment down below, or you leave your number so we can call you back. Thank you very much.